Hello everyone! Welcome to the Global Mindset University. Today we'll be doing math. We will be doing simple addition today. It means adding numbers, but the sum of it is not going to be higher than 10. So today, let's get started. Joe buys 2 peaches. Lauren buys 4 more peaches than Joe. How many peaches does Lauren buy? So we added 2 peaches. We added 4 more peaches. Now how much is there all together? So the part that Joe bought is orange. The part that Lauren bought is blue. Now, which one represents Joe's? It's the orange. Which one represents Lauren's? It's the blue. So Lauren bought 6 peaches together. Because Joe's, which is going to be 1, 2, plus 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, put up 2 fingers right now. And then add 4 more fingers. How much would it give you? 6. So right now, alright. Ladies and gentlemen, so right now we are done with it. Alright, so let's move on. Aria sees 9 buses and 5 trucks on her way to school. How many more buses than trucks does Aria see? Which equation can be used to solve the problem? Choose all the correct answers. The first one is 5 plus 9. The second one is 5 minus 9. The third one is 5 divided by 9. Now, how many more buses than trucks does Aria see? Now, which means practically it'd be 9 minus 5. Because 9 buses and 5 trucks, it's minus. Colby plants 8 flowers. Kayla plants 6 flowers. How many fewer flowers does Kayla plant than Colby? So right now we're going to bring the discs. Going to bring 8 discs, and 6 of them are going to be a different color. Like 8 of them, all of them are going to be blue. Then we're going to change 6 of them into orange. Omar paints 6 pictures. Lynn paints 3 more pictures than Omar. How many pictures does Lynn paint? So the answer for this one is going to be 6 minus 3. You have to go ahead and solve 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, put up 6 fingers. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. That would be 3 left. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. Omar has 6. Lynn paints 3 more than Omar. How much pictures does Lynn paint? Nice job, everyone. That is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.